Good afternoon, YouTube. So the meeting has been had, the decision has been made. The Bank of England will keep the base rate at 3.75%. I just want to give a little bit of context around interest rate decisions and how they're made and how they come about. So the Bank of England has a policy committee that meets 8 times a year, different months. It's always on a Thursday. The dates do change, and it's always at midday on that Thursday. And it's a group of 9 people, there's 9 policymakers, and they each have a vote. So they will vote to increase the rates, they will vote to decrease the rates, or keep them as they are. So what happens today, which was rather unusual, 3 of the policymakers out of the 9 actually voted to increase the rates, which is a little bit off-putting. That doesn't usually happen. So the thing they look at mainly when they decide the interest rates and what to do with them is inflation. So interest rates are a way of controlling inflation. So they can remove money from the economy essentially by raising the interest rates. So inflation at the moment is at 2.6%, which has come down. It came down due to the Middle East, the conflict in the Middle East, which had been pushing up fuel prices. We all know how volatile they've been in recent months. But due to the ceasefire that we have just come out of, essentially, it's all started again over there, isn't it? The prices have been much lower. So prices for petrol, diesel, much cheaper, and that has brought down inflation. However, the Bank of England is still acting with caution, so that is why they certainly didn't vote to decrease the rates, and even with the mind for them to increase the rates. So what does that mean for us normal people? So if you have a mortgage, if you are on a fixed rate mortgage at the moment, you will see no different. You will also see no different if you are on a variable rate mortgage. As the interest rate hasn't changed, you shouldn't see any effects to your payments. Will there be price changes in the market for fixed mortgages coming up? There has been a little bit of late. There's been some price wars between lenders. Will that continue? Yes, probably much the same as it has done. Good news for savers. If you've got money in the bank, if you've got capital, then 3.75% isn't an amazing rate, but it's better than a reduction if you're in that position. So really, I wasn't expecting any movement today. I was hoping for some. It helps our investors. It reduces the rates that they pay on their buy-to-let mortgages, and also it increases lender confidence. And so the lenders are more willing to lend to borrowers. It also has a positive effect on house prices as well, if there's more lending available. So as I say, I'm not really that surprised. It remained the same. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. How are you going to benefit? How are you going to be worse off? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.